to this ambassador's reception for the forthcoming second WHO Global Summit on Traditional Medicine, to be held from 17th to 19th December 25 at Bharat Mandapam in New Delhi. At the very outset, allow me to express my sincere appreciation for your presence here today. Your participation exemplifies the growing global commitment toward holistic health, sustainable wellness, and strengthening traditional systems of medicine as integral component of public health. As many of your countries were a part of the first WHO Global Summit on Traditional Medicine held in 2023 at Gandhinagar, Gujarat, as a co-branded event of G20 Health Summit. Your active engagement, your contributions, and the collective diplomatic energy resulted in the historic Gujarat Declaration during this event. And this landmark outcome was driven by your leadership, and it continues to guide the global agenda on traditional medicine. Later on, this Gujarat Declaration also was very helpful for the release of WHO Global Strategy on Traditional Medicine from 25 to 34 during last WHA. This year, we aspire to take a significant leap forward. Your missions serve as the flag bearers of your nations on Indian soil. The support from all of the excellencies and enthusiasm will play a decisive role in shaping this upcoming summit into a global success. I request, not just officially, but personally also, that each of you extend your full support in mobilizing high-level participation from your respective governments. Your involvement is vital to ensuring that this platform becomes a truly collaborative global movement. I would also like to extend a special note of gratitude to my dear friend, Honorable Ambassador C.B. George and his team. Their unwavering support, guidance, and its initiative have not only shaped this ambassador's reception, but also enabled us to secure wide media outreach. I would like to mention that this event is being organized by WHO and hosted in India. So WHO and India is partnering for this very big global event, and expectation of participation more than 100 countries. This initiative also have not only shaped this global outreach, but also ensuring that the message and mission of this summit reach every corner of the world. Thank you, Excellencies, for your partnership. Thank you, Ambassador C.B. George, for your leadership also. The theme of this year's summit, Restoring Balance, the Science and Practice of Health and Wellbeing, echoes the essence of harmony between the individual, the community, and the planet. It aligns profoundly with the philosophy of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, one earth, one family, one future. India has been the epicenter of healing, not just curing. Our traditional medicine systems, Ayurveda, Yoga, Unani, Siddha, Sovarikpa, are rooted in the belief that health is not merely the absence of disease, but the presence of balance. Balance within the self, with others, and with the nature. Today, as the world faces an increasing burden of stress, chronic illnesses, and environmental challenges, this integrated approach to wellness is not a choice, but it is a necessity. Through this summit, together with the WHO, the aim is to strengthen standards and quality assurance, advance research and evidence generation, promote equitable access to traditional medicine, and foster meaningful international collaboration. The forthcoming summit will convene health ministers, scientists, researchers, practitioners, innovators, and global thought leaders. The diplomatic community to define the future of traditional medicine also will participate with the evolving global health landscape. So through this platform of today, I also invite all of your good self excellencies personally to participate into this event as well. Excellencies, this is a defining moment. Traditional medicine is not a sector, it is a global resource, a wisdom, heritage, and that belongs to all humanity. Let's move forward not as an individual nations, but as custodians of collective knowledge. Let's send a powerful message that when science, tradition, and global solidarity unite, the world heals. In closing, I invite you to join us in this shared mission, a united movement to create a healthier, more balanced world for the generations to come. Let us restore balance, not only for the people, not only for the communities, but for the planet. With the power of traditional systems of healing, we can shape a future where well-being is universal, sustainable, and accessible to all. Thank you. My namaste to all of you.